I hope you all are fine. And by now, in your fair books, you must have completed chapter 1 and 2 neatly. Children, keep practicing, then only you will be perfect. Okay, so now your next chapter is lesson number 3, give and take. What do you understand by this? Give means you get something to add, so it's addition. Take means you give away something that you had, it means it becomes less, so it's subtraction. Children, you have learned addition and subtraction in your lower classes too. But in standard third, you will deal up to hundreds place. That is a 3-digit number. For example, 250, 0 is at the units place, 5 is at the tens place, 2 is at the hundreds place. So I hope it's clear what exactly is a 3-digit number. So open your book to page number 29 of your Mathemagic. Okay children, in this chapter give and take, I am Kittu. This front page of page number 29 and it's his home. He says कि उसके घर में 100 rooms है. So they help me in painting some of the rooms. So he starts from room number 2 and he adds 10 to 2 to reach room 12 and paint it. To add 10 to 2, we can go all the way to the right to 10, then up to 11 and one step right to 12. This is one way to go from 2 to 12. Is there a shortcut? Of course, follow me. We can jump up one row. A jump from 2 to 12 is like taking dash steps. A jump from 2 to 12 is like taking how many steps, children? Kitna steps hoga? It will be 10 steps. Because 12 minus 2, it will become 10. That is a shortcut. Otherwise, from 10, he was adding 1 every now and then. At a glance, he has taken jump for 10 steps. समझ में आया? इतना समझ में आ गया बेटा? Okay. Now turn your page and see there. Try these on Kittu's home. नीचे ABC से लेकर L तक क्वेश्चंस है तो वो हम देखते हैं. 10 less than 20, 34 is. लेस मतलब हमें माइनस करना है तो 34 minus 10 will become 24. 53 minus 20 is equal to dash. ये 2 digits वाले हैं जो आपने सेकेंड स्टैंडर्ड में सीख लिया. सो इट्स सिंपली अ रिविजन ऑफ 53 minus 20 is 33. 3 में से 0 गया 3, 5 में से 2 गया 3. थर्ड वाला 11 more than 31 is. जब मोर वर्ड है तो इट विल बिकम एडिशन. लेस होगा तो माइनस होगा, मोर लिखा होगा तो एडिशन होगा. तो 11 more than 31, 31 plus 11, 42. 1 plus 1 is 2, 3 plus 1 is 4. 11 less than 66. लेस आ गया मतलब अब क्या करेंगे? विल माइनस. सो 66 minus 11 is 55. 6 minus 1 is 5. Again 6 minus 1 is 5. Next one 62 plus 13. ये तो सिंपल प्लस करना है. 62 plus 13 क्या होगा? 3 plus 2 is 5. 6 plus 1 is 7. Understood? Then 62 plus 13 is equal to 75. That is also simple. 23 less than 89 मतलब 89 में से 23 को माइनस करना है तो क्या आएगा? 9 minus 3 is 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. 10 and 40 more. 40 more मतलब plus. 10 and 40 is 50. 9 added to 28 gives. ये भी सिंपल है. 28 को 9 को प्लस करो तो इट द आंसर इज 37. The sum of 9 and 44 is 53. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53. Reducing 98 by 34 gives. Again reducing मतलब माइनस. reducing का मतलब कम होना होता है तो 98 को 34 से माइनस करेंगे. 8 minus 4 is 4. 9 minus 3 is 6. So the answer is 64. 4 and 37 more is 41. 37, 38, 39, 40 and 41. More means to add. Take 35 away from 83, we get 48. How? 83 minus 35 take away, मतलब जो है उसमें से ले लो. 3 में से 5 नहीं जा सकता तो हमने यहाँ से बोरो किया. 13 minus 5 is 8. 7 minus 3 is 4. 48 is the answer. Now turn your page. There are addition given. 47 is equal to 37 plus 10. How much shortcut you can make is 37 plus 9 is equal to 46. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now this we are not seeing in details, children, because it's just a revision of second standard. You are dealing only with 2-digit sums. Units place and the tens place. अभी इसमें hundreds वाले place start नहीं हुआ है. Okay. So 9 plus 7 कितना होगा? 16. 6 हम लिखेंगे, 1 को कैरी करेंगे. 65 minus 30 is equal to 35. 65 minus 35 में से 0 को माइनस किया तो 5 ही बचेगा. 6 minus 3 is 3. अब नेक्स्ट वाला देखो. डैश इज इक्वल टू 46 प्लस 21. आगे डैश है, पीछे 46 प्लस 21 दिया. तो आगे का आंसर ढूंढना तो क्या करेंगे हम? 46 को माइनस कर देंगे 21 से. 6 में से 1 गया 5, 4 में से 2 गया 2, तो आंसर क्या हुआ? 25. गॉट? 66 minus 55 is 11. 66 को 55 से माइनस करोगे तो क्या आएगा? 11. 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. So you get the बीचवाला आंसर क्या आएगा? 55. आ गया आंसर सबको? 11. Yes. Next one. 66. Now dash is equal to 87 minus 30. तो 87 को 30 से माइनस करोगे क्या आएगा? 7. 8 minus 3 is 5. So your answer will be 57. हम हायर क्लासेस में सपोज करते हैं वैल्यू x. हम वैसे भी कर सकते हैं. 66 is equal to x plus 11. तो जब the digit will go this side, it will become 66 minus 11. So you'll get the answer as 55. Okay, or you can do in your own simple way if you don't want to calculate it that way. Now next one. 99 minus 45 is equal to 54. Dash plus 26 is equal to 75. So 75 minus 26, you will get 49. 15 minus 6, simple है ये. Then 31 plus 21, you will get 56. 35 plus 21 आपको 56 मिलेगा. 56 minus 21 तो आंसर आ जाएगा 35. Okay. Now 27 plus 9, you will get 36. 36 minus 9 करोगे तो आंसर 27 आ जाएगा. 40 plus 36 is equal to 76. 76 को माइनस करो 40. 6 में से गया 6. 7 minus 4 is 3. समझ में आया? 98 is equal to dash plus 50. तो 98 minus 50, you will get answer as 48. Now turn your page again. Can you do it in another way? Say how. See, if you can do the sum with the same sums. 37 plus 22. So 30 plus 7 plus 20 plus 2. Then you have to split the numbers. 30 plus 20, 50 plus 7 plus 2 is equal to 50. 7 plus 2 is 9. So your answer is 59. 30 plus 20. उन दोनों को पहले प्लस कर दो, it becomes easy. you just have to simply split the numbers. Then write 7, then write 2. नीचे वाले बॉक्स में लिखो 50. 7 plus 2 is 9. 50 plus 9 is 59. Next one. 73 plus 24 is equal to 73 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 70 plus 3. 24 can be written as 20 plus 4. So in the box given, write 70 plus 3 plus 20 plus 4. 70 plus 20 becomes 90 plus 3 plus 4. Okay. Then next column, 90 ऐसे आएगा. 3 plus 4 is 7. So 90 plus 7 is 97. I hope you all are understanding. 70 plus 3, 20 plus 4. 70 और 20 को mix कर देने का, तो it becomes 90. 3 plus 4 will become 7. So 90 plus 7 is equal to 97. Children, I hope you are understanding. See the other one. 50 plus 56 plus 21. So split 56, it will become 50 plus 6. And 21 can be split as 20 plus 1. So 50 plus 6 plus 20 plus 1. 50 plus 20 becomes 70. 70 plus 6 plus 1. Okay. So your answer is 77. Now work out the steps in your mind. Write the answer directly in the boxes. 34 plus 42 is 75. These are all simple mathematics, children. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 4, 7. Similarly, 19 plus 61, 9 plus 1, 10, carry over 1, 6, 1, 7 and 180. Dash is equal to 48 plus 42. Your answer is 90. 33 plus 27, क्या आएगा? 60. समझ में आ गया? Okay. Now turn your page to 40. You have a working problem there. A train compartment is carrying 132 people. Another compartment is carrying 129 people in all. How many people are there in both the compartments? Now these boxes जो है ट्रेन के पीछे देखो, उसको compartment कहते हैं. तो in first compartment it's carrying 132 people. In other compartment it is carrying 129 people. So when they are asking how many people are there in both the compartment, means it is plus. Okay. So you have to plus add people in compartment of both the train. So 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 you will write down 1 carry. 3 plus 2 5 and 1 6. 1 plus 1 is 2. Your answer is 261. So how many people are there in both the compartments? 261 people in both the compartments. Got it? समझ में आया? Now see the next one. Shanu found 138 pebbles. Karim found 44 pebbles. How many pebbles did they find in all? In all again means it is plus. Now you are in third standard, as I told you. See, they are at different digits. 138. 8 is at the units place. 3 is at the tens place. And 1 is at the hundreds place. Plus 44. 8 plus 4 is 12. You write 2 there. 1 carry. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. And 1 will come as it is. So your answer is 182. Again children, see 138 how it is written at hundreds place, tens place and at the units place. 44 में 100 का place है? नहीं. So it's only written as unit and there. Now whenever you add, we have already learned we starts from the unit side. हम right hand side से add करना शुरू करते हैं. So right hand side the first digit is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry 1. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 and 1, 8. 1 plus, it is same, it will come down. So it is the answer is 182. How many pebbles did they find in all? 182 pebbles. Now see the third one. A teacher kept a note of which fruit students like in a school. That is what she found. So there's a box there. Students, girls and boys, oranges, mangoes and total. Means they're talking only of 2 fruits. Students में कौन कौन आ गया? Girls आ गए, boys आ गया और उनका total. And which 2 fruits they are discussing on is, one is oranges, second is mangoes. So we have to total up. Now how many girls like oranges? 136. How many boys like oranges? 240. How many boys like oranges? 128. How many boys like mangoes? 243. Okay. So we have to find out the below answers there. How many students in the school like oranges? So how can students consist of girls and boys? So 136 plus 128. See the column, children. All the details are there. So you will get 264. 8 plus 6 is 14. 4, 1 carry. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 carry. Add to it 6. 1 and 1 is 2. How many students in the school? Students is girls and boys, so we total up like that. Got? Now see the second one. How many students in the school like mangoes? Now 240 girls like mangoes and 243 boys love mangoes. So again, if we add 240 plus 243, we get the answer as 483. 0 plus 3 is 3. 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. So 483 mangoes. Students love mangoes. Got? Next one. Altogether, how many students are there in the school? So how can you find out altogether how many students are there in the school? You will total up. You will total up all the students. 136 plus 128. Boys, then you will add and you get the answer as 747. See the totals of girls, 376 and 371. So your answer will get 747. आपने total किया ना पहले उसको? Is the number of girls more than boys or less than 350? It is more than 350. Got it? Now practice time hai. I'll solve it in the notebook and you'll just copy it from there. Till then keep revising and let's see what you'll have got it. Bye children. Adding made easy. Anisha bought apples for 37 rupees. Raja bought bananas for rupees 21. So 37 and 21 makes 58. How did she add 37 and 21 so fast? Let us also try. Look at the sum. 26 plus 43. We break 26 into 20 plus 6 and 43 into 40 plus 3. 20 plus 6 plus 40 plus 3. 20 plus 40 plus 6 plus 3. 20 plus 40 is 60 plus 9. 69. The answer is 69.
Now Raja understood how she added.
Raja said, oh, understood. So 37 can be written as 30 plus 7 and 21 can be written as 20 plus 1. Then by adding 30 plus 20 and 7 plus 1, we get 30 plus 20 is 50, 7 plus 1 is 8 and the answer is 58. Okay children, let's see a story of a jungle. Once a baby lion lost his way in the jungle. He started crying and called out for his mother. An old deer took pity on him. He took him to his place. But the other deers got really scared. So did their other friends, rabbits, squirrels, and birds. A lion among us? Oh no! He will eat up our babies. The old deer said, "Don't worry. I will warn him about this in the morning." The baby lion thanked everyone and started to leave. But a rabbit said, "Wait, he cannot go like this. Let us count if he has done any mischief. We should be 240 in all." Tillu counted rabbits and deer. There were 27 rabbits and 48 deer. The old deer counted birds and squirrels. There were 124 birds and 38 squirrels. Let us add and find out how many deers and rabbits were there. Number of deers were 48. Number of rabbits were 27. 10 fours and 8 units. Number of rabbits were 27. That comes to 2 tens and 7 units. When you add in 8 plus 7, you put together, you get 15s. 8 plus 7 is 15. You write 5 below and 1 is carried over. Now we are left with 5. Putting all the 5s together, we get a 15s. Now putting together all the 10s, we get 7. So total number is 75. So total number of deers and rabbits is equal to 75. Thank you, children.